What's up, guys? This is my studio makeup, and today I'm gonna make up my sister, and this is the product that I'm gonna use. I'm gonna tell you one of this product. This one I'm using any brand. There is a palette of the powder, and this is the eyeshadow. This is the an eyeshadow palette, and this is this is the contour, highlighter, and blush palette. And this one is from Eska, the same as this. And this is my mixing palette. And this one is eyelid, it's for the eye. This one is highlighter. And the lips product, I'm using many brands. One of this is Makeover, Sada Beauty, Feather, and this is the brushes. It's for the eye, and this one is for the complexion. And I got also powder, compact powder, and this is the powder from Makeover, and this is, well, I'm gonna using the fake lashes. This is for the under lashes, and this one for the main lashes, and this one the soft lens. Well, I'm gonna start the makeup, but in this channel I'm gonna part the video. Each video is 5 minutes, so you guys, I hope you don't get bored when you watch this video. I'm gonna share the makeup tutorials today. So yeah, let's get started. I'm using the beauty case from Masami, and the lighting is from Godox. This one, the series number, and this is for the phone, right here, and also the beauty case is right here. So yeah, this is my model today, and this one I'm gonna show you again the product that I'm gonna use, and voila. So in this channel, it's not about the makeups, but I'm gonna sharing with you also the treatments of hair, because if you guys bored with the makeup, so you can enjoy the video. It's not always the same theme, makeup, but also after this I'm gonna show you the treatment of the hair and face treatment. Maybe just stay tuned on my YouTube channel. I'm gonna start with the makeup first, and after this maybe I'm gonna sharing the other treatments with you guys. So just stay tuned on this channel. I hope you guys enjoy it. See you on the next video.